But I wanted to give you a little insight into how I look at companies, especially companies that either aren't mining or oil and gas and are more cash flow businesses, whether it's technology or junior industrials. And one of the first things I look for is a moat, either a technology moat or a business model that's very different from everybody else and would be quite hard to duplicate for one of any reasons. So that provides a good barrier to entry to any competition. The second thing that I look for is what is that company's compelling value proposition to its clients, or you might also call that the unique selling point, the USP. Like, why do we need this company? Why does this company exist? Do we really care? Does the world need another company like this? Or are they just one of many others that do the same things and it's a Me Too style company? So that's fairly important to me. The next thing I want to know is it growing? Because I really want to find growth. I am at my core a growth investor. I want to see something that's growing 50 to 20% a year and is seeing huge demand coming in, pulling revenue up, not having a product that they have to like force and push out to the market. And hopefully that means it's meeting one of my other criteria, which is generating free cash flow. So money after all the expenses are said and done is still building cash in the bank. Because when you've got a good balance sheet, which is one of the other things I look for, the stock often gets a premium that they can use and use their stock as currency in M&A work. And then the last thing, if we can find it, is recurring revenue. Monthly recurring revenue that comes in from anything like software as a service, a SaaS company. Those multiples get huge in a good business. So these are some of the things that I'm looking for in all my investments in the small cap and micro cap area where I do all my investing. And I'll be telling you all about this and more and answering any questions you might have at the webinar that's coming up very soon. So I hope you'll join us.